Morrisons, guys, Morrisons. We're in Morrisons. Gonna have a bite to eat. We've just been shopping. Get a few bits for nuts tomorrow, plus a cake, ain't we, Bab?
Yep.
What are we having, darling?
I don't know at the minute, mate. That's him.
Have yourself a look, and I'll show everyone the menu. While we're having a look what we're getting, guys. Give it a pause and do what you do. Food. We haven't been here for ages, have we, Bab?
I do like it, innit?
Absolutely ages.
I do like it in here.
I fancy something like gammon egg chips and peas. Sausage, egg, chips and beans, 2 for 12 quid. I could get that. And a chicken tikka masala for 12 quid for myself. Couldn't I? I'm not though, guys. I'm not. What do you reckon, Bab? Right, guys, I'm having ultimate fish and chips and mushy peas, £8.50. And that's having steak pie and chips. Get mushy peas, but she's not really into mushy peas. So she's going to have some gravy with hers. I'll have her mushy peas because I can have extra then, can't I? Right, let's go and order it. Food's ordered. Just having our cappuccino. I can only put the camera there, guys. Can't put it anywhere else. The lady breastfeeding just up the top and I don't want to catch her in. So you'll have to make do with the camera work, I'm afraid, guys. Not much I can do. They're having a cappuccino. Saying that's had her pie, chips and gravy. I've had ultimate fish and chips. And we had to look someone else has it and it looks massive, doesn't it, Bab? The fish and chips. 3 days on the trot, I've had fish. Huge. I love fish, I do. I don't have it often because no one else likes it. So I'm making the most of it this week.
Well, you won't be getting it tomorrow.
And I won't be getting it tomorrow. Cooking with that tomorrow, guys. Cooking with that tomorrow. We're probably going to live about 12 o'clock tomorrow. Because it's going to take a bit longer than a normal curry, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll probably go live about 12 tomorrow, guys. So pop on and off when you can, I suppose. Ugh. Anyway. We'll wait for the food to come and then we'll show you. Well, guys, food is here. Seafood, Bab.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Oh.
I'm too busy eating.
Too busy scoffing already. You get it?
I don't mind. Plate's hot.
It's hot in there. There you go. That'll do.
Plate's hot.
I don't know if I've been ripped up on my fish because the other ones we've seen were huge.
Yeah, they're massive.
And mine's only a tiny one. I've just looked at the receipt and I paid for the ultimate one. So there's 2 lots.
Should tell them? They got them.
No, we ain't bothered. And you want me to have? I can have them mashed potatoes, can't I? Mashed potatoes.
You can have my mushy peas.
Mushy peas. I can't have that. Let me have them mushy peas.
I can't do it with my foot. You'll put nasties on it. Thank you. Thank you, sweetheart.
Right then, guys. Let me get you a closer look now.
Yeah, that other one was like filled the plate.
The other one was like massive, it was size of literally over the plate, wasn't it? The other ones were. But I'm not sure. But anyway, it looks nice anyway. Look, nice and crispy. They might have just got lucky on the other ones, mightn't they? You know.
That's mine.
Loads of chips. There's nuts. Obviously, I've had the beans off there, peas off there.
Yeah, I am fussy.
Get your gravy. Get your gravy on there, see what that's like. A little bit watery for our liking, but
don't matter.
Doesn't matter. Get it on, babe. Right, let's have a go, guys. Let's have a go. Careful where I put the camera. I'm going to get straight into the fish. Let's listen to the crunch. It is thick.
That pie's lovely.
Need some salt though, gotta have some salt.
That pie's really nice.
That pie nice.
So tasty. And then you have a little mouthful. I do like that pie.
Needs some salt. Oh, I need my tartar sauce. Can I open them? No. Oh, I have. I've opened it.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, yeah. Fish and chips. Let's try the mushy peas. Wonder what price they are then?
That is so tasty.
Is it really nice, that?
Really nice. Really tasty.
Yeah, mushy peas. They're just bland mushy peas. Nothing special.
Do you like that? If that's their own, then that's a decent pie.
You'll have
That's better than Aldi.
Morrisons, what pies they are. Because we don't come here, do we, shopping?
That pie is better than the little ones we've had from Aldi.
Is it?
You know what I'm like with my
Yeah, you
pie.
like your pies and your pastries, don't you? And the chips, altogether, they ain't bad, is it? You can't moan. For simple calf food, because that's what it is, isn't it?
It tastes better than what it looks, if you get what I mean. The pie looks deceiving.
Oh, that's nice.
The pie looks deceiving, if you get what I mean. But you don't eat with your eyes, do you?
You don't eat with your eyes, you eat with your belly.
It's all in the taste.
It's all in the taste, guys. This fish is nice. It's better than Weatherspoon's fish, and that was nice the other day.
That looks nice, better that does.
Nice and crispy. But I'm not sure whether I've got the £6 one. The small fish. Crazy. It's quite thick, look. The fish. I haven't got the menu now, so I can't see what's on it. And free refills with the coffee in it, Bab, as well.
Yeah, it is.
So, and that's got a carrot cake as well. She's ordered a carrot cake in your Bab.
Yep.
So she'll be having one of them. We're going to pick it up in a minute. I'm enjoying this. I need some brown sauce from me.
Really nice. Do you want to go and get you some?
Not brown sauce, some mayonnaise from my chips.
Do you want to go and grab you some?
No, I'll get some in a second.
I'm just trying to keep away from my mushy pea bit.
Oh my God, she doesn't like anything, she doesn't. Do you, Bab?
Right.
Oh my God, you don't like anything, do you? Do you?
No.
That's what will be coming in the comments, won't it?
I don't know. Just keep it away from that bit. It's just too much into that side.
Why do you have them on your plate if you don't like them? Because then I can have them.
You wanted an extra portion,
I
didn't
did,
you?
yes.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
You know what's coming? 100%.
I'm enjoying that pie.
I'm enjoying this fish as well, I really am.
It does look quite nice, actually. The batter and stuff.
Really nice.
It's nice and fresh. Oh, sorry.
Yes. That's the thumbs up from me at the minute.
And me. Oh, dear, sorry.
Right, let's eat a bit. Mayonnaise on the chips. Mayonnaise on the chips. Shall I put a bit of gravy on? Gravy and mayo. That's a lovely combination, isn't it? What's the gravy like? A bit watery or
It's watery.
plain?
But you know I like my gravy though, so I can't really complain about that because I have my gravy different.
Now, the question is,
Ow.
Is this better than Wetherspoons? Wetherspoons chips are better, but they're more like steak chips. These are fries, aren't they? This fish is better, but I think Wetherspoons mushy peas are better. So all in all, I think this is about an extra 50, 60p more. What did I pay Wetherspoons? 150 something? 150, 750 something?
I can't remember.
I think it's like £8.5 or something. Was it? Whatever it was. If I come for the fish, I'd come here. It's a better fish. If I went for the chips, I'd probably go to Wevy's. To the spoons. But I think we should come here more often, because we don't come up here, do we?
No, we don't.
We should come here more often.
I do like it in here. And I'll definitely have this again.
Definitely have it again.
Yeah.
You have to let us know, guys, what pie are you do you shop here? It's a steak pie. What make is it? Their own make, is it?
If it's their own make, then it's a pretty decent one. Because you can get some that just don't taste of anything.
Like some of the Aldi ones.
Yes.
It's really bland.
The pastry's a bit, but I like. And my gravy, but apart from that, I can't grumble.
Yep.
It's really nice. I'm enjoying it anyway.
There you go then. That's all that matters, Bab.
That's
all that matters.
Thank you.
Right, guys. So there we go.
I'll show you my cake in a bit.
We'll eat the rest of this. We'll get Nat's cake and we'll show you. Right, we've got Nat's carrot cake. Nat's just been chatted up.
I've been chatted up.
Just been idle, ain't you, Bab?
Yeah. I wonder what he was doing. Paying all to seek behind the condiment section.
Looking at her, staring.
For ages.
And I called him. I went, oi, put her away. Put your eyes away. And he went, oh.
I looked up and he was doing that.
You got all red now, ain't you? Let me show you cake.
Yeah, just show the cake instead, please.
There he is up there. Just show me. He's behind that.
Stop it. Yeah.
There's your cake.
Oh, days.
Oh dear. I went and got a cake and
You've gone for it. He was just.
I was standing behind him watching him laughing.
The condiment bit there, and he was like. And I looked away and I thought he's just looking at something.
Shall I show you what he was doing? Let me show you. And then he went, I come up behind him, like this, and I went, oi, put it away. He went, oh, bless him.
That's
Bless his little corn socks. How's that cake, darling?
I've only just tried it, Hancock.
You can fry your head. You like a beetroot? I like beetroot, I do.
Stop it a minute. Stop. I don't like it. I wonder what he's doing. I was just sitting there. What's he looking for? And I looked around. I thought there's nothing here. Then just in his head, come round again like that. That's a proper carrot cake, that is.
That's nice. Oh, bless. There you go. Good.
That's lovely.
You do like carrot cake, though, don't you? I like carrot cake, but in moderation.
Do you want to try a bit?
Nah.
You sure?
Got to watch me figure, darling.
Stuff the figure.
I might lose you to people perving. You get it all the time, don't you, Bab? You hate it, don't you, sweetheart? Bless you. Bless you. It happened the other week in town, didn't it? And I went in the shop, didn't I? And the security guard had to protect you, didn't he? Told the bloke to get lost, didn't he? Remember? Can't take you anywhere, can we? You float, what do you call it? Floating your eyelids.
No.
No, I know
I don't do that.
But you don't do that, no. So, how's your carrot cake? That was, I think, was that £3 or something? got the receipt somewhere, guys.
Do you know what? Yeah, it was £3, sorry. Do you know what? It's really nice.
Because they're doing £3 for a cake, a sandwich and a coffee or tea. Ain't nice for £3 and a meal deal. That ain't bad, is it?
And you can go and fill it up as many times
and you can get free refills. So that's good, that is. Yeah, it's all in all. I mean, that thumbs up. Well done, Morrisons. He's nice. I really like that fish. That's 3 days on the trot now. I've had fish. And I've enjoyed every single one. So, yeah. Live stream tomorrow then, guys. We're going to go early. It'll probably be about 12 o'clock tomorrow, I think. Yeah, it'll be a few hours because Nat's curries take a lot longer than mine, don't they? You're going to marinate your meat.
I'll try not to be so long.
You can't marinate your meat tonight because it's only been out of the freezer, so it'll be frozen.
I'll see you later on tonight.
So maybe you have to marinate it for half hour tomorrow. See how we get on. Marinate it in the morning. Yeah, we'll work that out. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Say bye, beetroot. See you later, guys. You got all red, sweetheart. Stop. I'm embarrassing you, man. Bye, everyone.